This is the Volcanoes Discovery Centre. We're now entering the front door, and as you can see we have lots of interesting displays around to this side and beautiful tapestry on the wall. This area being used mainly for rock displays, of which we have quite a number. We also have a large collection of mineral and rock samples that we are hoping to have properly curated. And in addition to that, we also have microscopes displaying various rocks and minerals for our visitors so that they can get a really good view of what is happening. Then from this room, we head out into our main corridor where we have a timeline of volcanic activity in Victoria, starting from the Cambrian Age all the way through. And in that area we find that our local volcanism starts from around 4.5 million years ago and extends almost up to the present. We also have displays of volcanism in Hawaii and in Mount Etna. For the little ones, we have our friendly little rock who guides them around the displays and gives them information at their level, whereas for everyone else we have displays setting the scene of volcanicity on a worldwide basis, and then following through with examples of the various volcanic types in our area. Following through further, we come to our crater, which is not working well. And then we look at the Aboriginal information that they know about the volcanoes, and it is recorded in their songs. Mount Rouse being an important area for that. A number of posters that we have been given showing the research that's been done on this area, and some more details on the various rock types we have in this area and the uses to which they have been put over the years. Then we have a puzzle wall for the kids to work out the various different sorts of volcanic rocks. A large display of the volcanicity of this area, including a map of most of the volcanoes in this part of the world and the lava flows from the main volcanoes in this local area. We have a number of videos reflecting volcanicity around the world and a map explaining where volcanoes are currently active and how we measure the strength of volcanic eruptions. This whole area is then carried through into the back where we have displays of volcanic bombs and leads through into our education area. Welcome everyone. I'm just going to have a little talk to you now about what we're hoping to do with the Volcano Centre in the next little while. As you can see here, it's an integral part of the township, and we would like to make sure that it remains that way in the future. So, welcome into our education room. This is where we provide presentations to school groups and other groups that come to enjoy our facilities. We are in a situation now where this facility has not had any major changes for almost a decade, and we feel that in order for it to maintain its relevance and its usefulness to, especially for the school groups, we need to update the centre. We have a number of plans as to what we would like to do at this stage. These range from commissioning a special video presentation which will concentrate on the volcanics of this area of Victoria around Penshurst and give much more detail. We also have newly received a quite valuable mineral sample collection, and we want to make sure that this is properly displayed and so is available to everybody. And in the process we also want to upgrade our main presentation area to take advantage of changes in technology and also changes in information that have come about in the last 10 years. So those are the main things we want to do inside the facility. We also want to make use of some of the outside areas where we're hoping to build a rock garden in which we can display all of the rock types that are common in the area from the volcanism that we have. And also some of the rocks that make up the basement areas of this part of Victoria. So samples of the granites, of some of the intrusions, and samples of the sandstones that make up the Grampians would be added to that garden, just to provide a complete context. What we hope to be able to do is to do this over the next 6 months or so, and in order to do that we have to raise a reasonable amount of money. We're hoping to raise about $25,000 from this crowdfunding, and that will be used as seed money and match money in order to match against our applications for grants, which are also going forward. If we get what we want, we will be able to make sure that this facility becomes an up-to-date and integral part of the community, and will be valuable not only for the community but for the whole of the state for the next 10 years, in which case we might be coming back again in another 10 years. But for the moment, that's what we want to do. Thank you.